What is a smart contract? Smart contracts are just like contracts in the real world. The only difference is that smart contracts are digital. It is a computer program that is written and stored on the blockchain. So what does it do and how does it work? Think of a vending machine. If you want to get a snack out of the vending machine, you need to perform certain actions in order to get the snack. First, you have to insert the coin. Secondly, you need to enter the code for the specific snack. And thirdly, you grab the snack from the vending machine. All these actions have been done automatically by the vending machine. You don't need a third party to collect the money and give you the snack. This is the way a smart contract works. Instead of working with a middleman, you can directly deposit money into the smart contract, and based on what is written in the smart contract, the action will automatically be executed. For example, let's say you want to start a project. You have a great idea to build a company in Web3. The only thing you're missing are the funds. So you start to create a website and write a white paper. You present your ideas and vision in the white paper and convince people to invest in your idea. A lot of people start to put their money into the smart contract. As a reward for investing in your company, the people will get a digital certificate, also known as an NFT. With this digital asset, they can prove that they are the first investors in your company and can receive rewards and surprises as the company grows. And don't worry, once the smart contract is written and deployed on the blockchain, it cannot be changed. This is the power of a smart contract. It eliminates the third parties in the process and makes things more efficient, reliable, and sustainable. All transactions are stored on the blockchain and can be viewed by anyone. So if you interact with a smart contract, make sure it is written by a trustworthy party. The founders must be transparent with their identity, vision, and ideas. Always have a proper risk management. With great power comes great responsibilities. This is Crypto Simplified. See you in the next video. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and investing, follow my course. It's completely free.